Kamarjova. Hello, I am Vitas. We are in community Keiščiai village.
We would like to offer for you to make Lithuanian dish šaltibarščiai called beet soup. For this dish you need 2 or 3 boiled, cooled, peeled, roughly grated red beets, 1 cup of cold boiled water, 1 cucumber, spring onions, a bunch fresh dill, hard-boiled eggs, 1 cup of sour cream or natural yogurt, 4 cups kefir or buttermilk, and salt to taste. So let's start to make šaltibarščiai. Red beets we must cook. They must be cooled and peeled and grate coarsely. So second, we must peel cucumber. So we peel cucumber and chop into small cubes. So we chop cucumber into small cubes and we chop spring onions in little pieces too. Take hard-boiled eggs and we will chop these eggs into small dice too. So finally take fresh dill and chop the dill too. So and grated red beets too. So add some water, buttermilk or kefir, put some sour cream too, and mix everything with chopped ingredients. Stir well. Please taste the soup and add salt as required. The soup you can serve with boiled hot potatoes. This Lithuanian soup, šaltibarščiai or cold beet soup, is served cold in a plate or bowl.
Enjoy your meat. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.